Okay, here's where all the magic happens. 12 by 20. We start over here with the patterns. It's kind of our idea center. Got a few pattern, full size for Barb Sheila parts, 1880s Mississippi River skiff. The library up here, it's overstuffed, needs to be organized and stored properly, and then some kind of list to know what we actually have up there. Found a nice little nook for the ladder and a couple of work tables. The chairs for skipper to skippervise, and we've got a shop vac with a dust deputy cyclone separator there. It's all on wheels, so it can roll outside or stay inside as needed. So kind of trying to go with the flow of design over here. And then the end of the project, trash can for cleanup. Got little rolling cart, tool trolley. It's got clamps and some small hand tools, wrenches. Above the bench is kind of some easy access tools, chisels, screwdrivers, router bits, some more cleanup items. Easy to access. Also, can't forget our PPE, our personal protective equipment, gloves, mask, eye protection. And the back end here flowing on the workbench is mobile. We kind of got a flow going from taking things apart and then putting them back together. So cutting tools and then drills. This drill can go back in here. And then finishing with sanding. Underneath here is another tool trolley. Got a chop saw. We have a table saw. We've got bandsaw, drill press. That can move around and flowing on around the shop. We've got these lofts now, which are new to us. I'm not sure exactly what's going to be the best thing to stow up there, because it takes a little bit of activity to access it. But we're thinking maybe a shelf on the back corner over there. Corner shelf, kind of like the one we have over here. And on the back walls, got some more patterns and templates for paddles, transom, stems. Back there we've got, let's see what we have. Got a rigging box, got some epoxy paints, a box for when we go hunting for a boat with all of our towing equipment. See, power drills, we have some corded tools stashed away different places. Most of our tools we use nowadays are cordless, but rivet guns, what else? Screws. Screws might move over closer to where the drills are actually at. A little rigging bag with things to cut line and make it look neat on the end. A little DeWalt portable inflator that comes in handy for all the dollies and tow vehicles and trailer tires we have. Yeah, spin on around here. Took up a lot of space with this Halloween decoration here. We like having it here. They can supervise while we're doing work. And then on down, saw the mower earlier. Don't really want that to live in here, but it is for now. It doesn't take long to roll it out and get to it. And the little rowboat that's down here, it's probably not going to live in here full time either, but either way, they're easy to roll in and out on dollies if we need center space of the shop. A couple of wagons, and then these are all the rudders and dagger boards for canoes, day sailor, sunfish, and sailfish. Another loft up here, and right now we've got some batteries up there charging. May or may not stay there. This door is only 6 feet high. In fact, it's just a little under 6 feet, so taller folks have to be aware that might turn into a normal size French door that opens 6 foot wide with panes of glass, so we get more light into the shop. So that's what we're looking at in the what we call our carriage house. Went from a 16 by 20 down to a 12 by 20. So I think I have everything in there that is supposed to go in there, but it's just kind of squirreled away in some tight spots that I don't know if I really am 100% happy with that. Maybe I'll find out, oh, well, you know, if you get a bigger place, you just find more junk to put in it. Over here's the sunfish shack. Right now it's got sunfish, sailfish, some of the yard art, little Penobscot 14. And next to it, a couple kayaks and our catamaran. Be a little cover going over the top of that soon to a little bit bigger deck for it to sit on, so we can store those where they're not laying in the yard and getting dirty. And then over here is probably where our, what we're going to call our work deck. I'll wait for the helicopter to go by. This will be made essentially the same, similar to what the sunfish shack. We'll just frame in a floor, put some 2x6 decking on it, make that deck flush with the deck in the carriage house. Probably make it 12 by 20 also, and then just put a little tin roof over the top of it with no sides, so that we can pull things out, or that could be the workplace for where we build the cat boat. When there's not something being built there, it'll be the storage spot for the little Sorg 15-foot runabout named Willow. She'll roll back in there and kind of enjoy some time under the tin roof, especially during rainy season or the leaf season, to keep that stuff from dropping on the top of her. So see the video and you have some ideas on some cool shop storage tips, be sure to let us know about them, and that'll do it.